Dogs get chipped, but what about people? I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and it's standard operating procedure to chip our pets so we can always keep track of them in case of an emergency or they get lost. Now, back in 1998, a chip was first implanted into a human being, and in the past decade, the technology has become more commercially available. A Las Vegas influencer has even garnered millions of followers online after revealing she has a chip implanted in her hand, and she uses it to open doors and drawers around her gigantic house. She has a radio frequency identification implant, or RFID chip, which is one of the various types of microchip implants available in the market. Now, while they're available, it's extremely important to note that having a medical procedure to implant a chip in one's body should only be done by a qualified professional, if at all. You can imagine the idea of microchips being implanted into humans raises ethical and privacy concerns. Think about it. Some of these chips are basically collecting and storing personal information that could potentially be accessed without consent. Would you ever consider a microchip implant? Let me know your thoughts about it over at cyberguy.com, and while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.